Hello everyone, this is Mukundan Raghavan, and in this video we will try to understand the different types of agents available in Microsoft AutoGen framework. This will be very useful in order to start the coding part. The first one is user proxy agent. This is exactly bridging the human and the AI. Whenever you want to have the human intervention in decision making or in order to do some tasks, then you will be using the user proxy agent. Even though technically it is possible that you can interact with any LLM or any agent, still we need to use the user proxy agent. Why? Because you can control the code execution part of the agent. And also you can collaborate with other agents using this user proxy agent. And also you can have the memory. Basically, it remains the context for the given user so that you can use the user proxy agent with other agents and also have the efficient process. Next one is assistant agent. So this is exactly the versatile AI helper for us. It could be generally a LLM, which can do a lot of activities for us. For example, general question answering, content summarization, code generation, data analysis, image generation, video generation, and whatnot. So these are the activities will be done by the assistant agent through the user proxy agent optionally. Next one is group chart manager agent. When you have the multiple agents, especially these agents will interact with each other. So in that case, you need to have the group chart manager agent. So this will be ideal for structured conversation, and you will be having the controlled information flow from one agent to another agent. And next one is function calling agent. Yes, we do have the LLM, we do have the user proxy agent, and we do have the group chat manager agent. However, there will be some functionalities which cannot be done by LLM itself. So in those scenarios, it will be done by the external API calls or external services. So this can be done using the function calling agent. For example, it could be for the third-party service integration, or it could be getting the real-time information. For example, if you want to get the trading information in real time, in those scenarios, you might be using the different functionalities or service or API calls. So this can be handled by the function calling agent. Now, the final one is custom agents. Even though we have predefined a lot of types of agents, still every domain is unique and it has its own functionalities. So in those scenarios, you can create your custom agents based on your domain. And also it can interact with other agents as well. So this type of agents will give everyone the power to create their own agents in their own way. So finally, we will come to the conclusion when to choose what type of agent. Let's say there are something very critical and every decision should be taken the consideration of human inputs. Then in those scenarios, you will be using the user proxy agent. Or let's say it is not something human intervention is required. It is a general activities and that scenarios can be handled directly and only by the assistant agent. And when you have the complex workflow and when you have the multiple agents, then you should have the group chart manager agent. And there are some scenarios where you need to interact with the external world and interact with the real-time databases. Then in those scenarios, you will be using the function calling agent. Still, if you have the very specific requirement and very unique requirement, you need to create as per your domain standards or as per your business. Still, you are allowed to create by using the custom agent. This combination of agents will give the powerful framework from the AutoGen so that you can achieve any kind of complex workflows. So these are the types of agents you can use it from the AutoGen. Now we have seen multiple benefits from this. Basically, each agent has its own way of working and its significance. Finally, we have seen the custom agents, which will give the flexibility for ourselves to create the different types of agents based on our domain. And also we have seen the group chart agent manager so that it will interact with other agents very effectively so that your entire workflow will be splitted, balanced, and governed. So this is all about this video. Hope it will clarify us what type of agents available in AutoGen. and when to use which type of agent. So this is all about this video, and always be a rainbow in others cloud.